golden stars at the galaxy's edge, crossing dimensions, a sacred pledge. The face of the king,
eyes of solar fire,
a human form of power in star-forged attire. I do not chase, for I am the core. The universe stills as I walk through the door. No need for force, let the energy rise. The portals are open beneath golden skies.
the lion emperor of the star kingdom Leo, golden light soaring wherever I go.
I am the fluid,
I am the grand,
all that I see.
flows into my head.
I receive,
I align
I command.
from the heart of Leo to the eternal divine.
I am one with the cosmos.
Abundance is the breath I take.
Everything is smooth.
Everything is perfect.
From the golden stars at the galaxy's edge, crossing dimensions, a sacred pledge. The face of the king,
Eyes of solar fire,
a human form of power in star-forged attire. I do not chase, for I am the core. The universe stills as I walk through the door. No need for force, let the energy rise. The portals are open beneath golden skies.
the lion emperor of the star kingdom Leo, golden light soaring wherever I go.
I am the fluid,
I am the grand,
all that I see.
flows into my head.
I receive.
abundance is the breath I take.
Everything is smooth.
Everything is perfect.